What's up, you guys? It's me, Autumn, and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to show you guys my beauty room. So I just moved into this apartment a couple months ago, and my room is nowhere near finished, nowhere near what I want it to be at all. But just wanted to quickly mainly show you guys my plants, because half this stuff, or mostly my vanity, I really want to switch out, and I want to add like some more knick-knacky stuff. But I know that we aren't staying here that long, so I'll probably just wait until we move to get everything that I really want. But until then, I will show you guys my room. But like I said, it's not finished. It's not all the way finished. I was going for like a boho chic, in the jungle, earthy type vibe. So I will start at the door, which is, let me flip you guys over, right here. And I didn't know where to put this thing. My coworker gave this to me for Christmas last year, and it just says, "You are so loved." So that's that. And then I have my little pumpkin right here, Munchie. And over here I have my like book section background thing going on. This is sticking out and it's bothering me. Okay, I do want to get like a bigger shelf, like longer water, because this is just, you know, bothering me. But oh well, it'll do for now. The tapestry I got from Amazon, along with the lights. Also, I got my faux fig tree from Walmart, along with my mascara, the mascara stems, leaves. So I just come in closer. I have my woodwick candle burning. Why does this not wanna? And this is just Fraser Fir. Have my crystals. Have my amethyst. I got this little cute hand from Earthbound, and I just put my crystals on top of there also. And on this shelf, I just have some sage with my crystals also. So this shelf, it has all of my books, along with the shelf under it. And this, I know it looks messy right now because it is. I just finished doing my hair in another video, so I just take this whole basket with me when I go to my vanity and do my hair. So it's never organized, and oh well. And this is just some extra products for my hair, like ones that I grabbed for the most. These are a few of my shades with and I just have some masks back here, and excuse me, Pookie. And this is just some hair clips and I believe like bobby pins and all that in there. Munchie is all in my way. These are all of my oils, like body oil, hair oil. I have toner back there. Have some probiotics. And yeah, that's all that's down there. I am gonna eventually put like cuter baskets and stuff down there, but that's just what I have for now until I get my closet situated. So moving on to there. I'm not even gonna, my light is right here, so sorry. But my closet is behind here and it's a mess. So on this side I have another tapestry. I thought this was really cute, and it went good with like the rug situation I have going. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I thought it was cute. And I just have some more little knickknacks up here. A candle, salt lamp. I have some sage, some more crystals, my selenite, all of these. see, rose quartz. I believe this is citrine, clear quartz, amethyst, all of those. And I am doing a video on all of my fragrances, so I won't go into depth on those. And I'm also doing a video on my herb collection, so I won't go into depth on all of those. My camera does just not want to work with me today. Okay, there we go. So yeah, those are all, that's my fragrance collection and my herbal collection. I will do a separate video on all of those. So I'm not even going to go like down because that part is a hot mess. It's like my work printer and just some stuff I don't know what to do with yet. So that's down there on the floor, along with my ring light, which I'm using for a light right now. I have like everything. This room is pretty small, so it's hard for me to try to do this video. There's no light outside, as you can see. Really, like, it's been raining all day. It's super gloomy outside, so this is the only window I have, unfortunately. So this room doesn't get good lighting, and I don't have a light fixture up here, so that makes it 10 times worse. So bear with me, please. So this is my vanity. I do want an entirely different vanity. This one is just working my nerves. So that's me right here. Up here I just have my Polaroid, my Bluetooth speaker, some jewelry, have some makeup, like makeup I use on my clients, lashes, some more jewelry. I have my brushes. In here I got these from Michaels, I believe, these little shells, and they were good, like, you know, the first year I had it, but now, honey, they are falling apart. As you can see, this won't even go in anymore, and I'm just tired of them, and I want like a whole new vanity. So in here I have all of my highlighters and glitters. Some of this stuff I really need to give away because I've had it for so long, and like I said, it's not organized in here at all because I honestly barely even go in this drawer. So in here I just threw my wedges in here from the last time I was using them on my client. I have some more like blushes and highlighters and bronzers. Same in this drawer. I have primers over here. Nothing special. And over here are all of my palettes. This one, let's see. I use probably this Anastasia World Traveler palette. I use that one and my Modern Renaissance and these two Juvia's Place palettes. I use those the most. I haven't even, I forgot I had this one, honestly. This Carly Bible palette. I have not even used this one yet. I forgot I even bought it. And I have this Party Animal palette, Laura Lee, Smashbox. I have some Carly Bible, Morphe, Too Faced, Tarte, NYX, BH Cosmetics, which one is this? Black Radiance. Yeah. So that's all that's in there. And here I have just lashes. Not even want to go in there. In here I have, I don't want to go in there either because this drawer is broke, but I just have like, I used to be subscribed to Ipsy, so I just have like all of those extra little makeup bags in there. And my makeup brush cleaner thing that I use. So this is what the makeup that I grabbed the most. I just have my Fenty body glitter stuff. I have so many Fenty lip glosses. Now, let me ask you guys, am I the only one who can never get the bottom, let me see, the bottom of the lip gloss out? Like I have to always get a like toothpick or something to, not a toothpick, dang it, I can't think of what they're called. The things you clean your ears out with. Those to get like all of the lip gloss out. I literally have like 10 of these. And I can never get the bottom lip portion out. And that's super annoying. So I have to re-up on these like literally every 3 weeks to a month. But yeah. Nevertheless, I have all of my lippies that I grabbed for the most. In here I have like my eyebrow stuff, concealers, mascara, lash glue. There's nothing really in here. Makeup, I mean, of course makeup. Glitter primer, foundation, concealer, lipsticks, lip glosses, and highlighters, blushes, that good stuff. Have my mirror from Impressions right here. I got this desk from Amazon, I believe, and I just DIY'd like my mirror. I got the mirror from Home Depot, the lights from Home Depot, all that stuff. And like if I can find the video, I'll show you the video I used to DIY this whole vanity set, because your girl was balling on a budget back then and she couldn't afford, you know, like an IKEA setup or those the real Impressions vanity ones. But coming soon, I will be getting me one. So panning to the right is all of my plants, and I have another little shelf over here that I'll just run through really quickly. All of my lip stuff, lip liners, lipsticks, lip glosses, all that good stuff. Some more lipsticks and lip glosses that I honestly need to give away or throw away because I do not use. And see what I mean? Okay, look. This drawer is broke. I don't, in the course of me moving, I don't know, because it wasn't like this when I was at my mom's house. I guess it broke. But let me try to get it out. Okay. This is like my lash glue, not lash, but mascara, all of the like eye stuff, eyeliner, colorful eyeliner, all that good stuff. Over here I have like my powders. I can't push it out. I know, girl, I'm janky, okay? I have lashes in there, powders and concealers over here. I don't know why my camera won't focus. And down here I have just all of my foundations that I use on my clients. So yeah. Over here on the top, I'll start my little mini plant tour. These need some water. Just my golden pothos, my aluminum plant that needs to be repotted because it's crusty looking and it is growing, honey. This is actually my boyfriend's plant, but I have it in here. And on top of this dresser, I have my Monstera. This is my Swiss cheese one. I got this one from Trader Joe's. I just repotted this baby like a couple weeks ago because it was dying. As you can see, like a whole bunch of leaves fell off. I don't know what this one is called, honestly, but it looks like it's doing a lot better now. This one is let me see if I can get in here. I have another golden pothos back here, and I will do like a more in-depth plant tour. This is just, you know, something quick. My corn plant, snake plant back here, my alocasia, my money tree, which is thriving. Now it does have some leaves. I need to cut some of these leaves because this money tree was so little at first, and it's like hella tall now. So I'm really proud of that. Over here I have my other Monstera, and sorry if I sound like I'm out of breath. I am so hot right now in this room. But here I have another golden pothos. It's doing well. And back here I have my little ivy that's doing good. It was almost on the brink of dying some months ago, but I repotted it and she's doing a lot better. So in here I have another pothos, and another ivy. And she was also about to die and I had to replant her. So yeah, and then these macrame hangers, I need to cut a few leaves off and water these because a lot of them, I haven't watered them in a few days. So I have my pothos in there. All of these are pothoses, I believe. Pothos up there and another one up there in the macrame hanger. And here I have my mirror that I got from At Home. And I just threw these little faux leaf situations up there. They were on my old mirror. And I had this one on top, but it kept falling. So I just left it there because it was getting on my nerves. So yeah. Down here I have just this little faux shaggy rug. I believe I got that from Ross. I can't remember. But I also got this rug from At Home for a really good price. And yeah, I know this tour was like, super janky because I have to figure out like my lighting setup, how I can do this without like my lights being in the way, since this room is really small and I only have one window, so I lose a lot of light if I don't film during the day. So yeah, hopefully this was enjoyable for you guys. I know I was kind of rushing because I'm trying to beat the sun. And yeah, if you guys want anything more in depth, like I definitely want to do a more in-depth tutorial on my fragrances and my herbal collection, as well as my plants, because I have more plants than this throughout the house. Excuse me. So yeah, if you guys want to see that, give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you are not. And like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, you know, conversate with me because I love to talk to you guys. I know conversate isn't a word, but oh well, I'm using it today. So yeah, I will try to link things down below if you guys are interested in anything. And yeah, I just feel like this room, you know, like a little vibe. It's very peaceful. It looks so pretty at night when I have my lights going and all the rest of the lights out. I like to come in here in the morning and meditate. I'm gonna start back doing my yoga, working out. And I just feel like this room is the perfect little zen room for me. My perfect little, you know, makeup / zen room. So yeah, like I said, I do have a lot more that I want to do, but when I move, I am definitely going to add some more stuff. Definitely going to get another vanity and, you know, add like some little art pieces maybe here and there, take some stuff away, who knows. So yeah, hope you guys have a great day. I will see you in my next video. Yeah.